Hello everyone, this is a demo video for the extension Messenger Matic. So Messenger Matic is a Chrome extension that helps you to tag, sort people inside your Facebook Messenger. So the first thing that you all see when you open Messenger Matic is the ability to create tags. So I'm going to create a tag called test and it's being added here. So after you create a tag, you can click the edit and change the tag name, and also change the color of the tag. So it's up to you. You can customize this, and that would be much better for you. And I'm gonna assign this tag to a person. So we can see a plus sign inside the messenger right here. And if it didn't come, so after you log into the Messenger Matic, and if you're on the messenger.com or facebook.com/messenger, or where you can see some sort of similar view on how you can chat with people, this would work there. So now I have created a test. Now I'm going to assign this to someone, and you're gonna see a plus sign here. Just click on that and you're gonna see this pop-up, and inside that pop-up you'll see the test tag, and just click on save, and the tag is assigned to that person. And also, if you don't see this plus sign, all you need to do is open Messenger Matic and then switch it off, and then turn it on again, and this will make sure that if for some reason the plus sign didn't show up, this is the thing that you can do to fix that. And right now you can see there's about one person inside this tag, and 22 people inside this tag, and 5 people inside this tag. So what you can do is click on test, and after that you can see that person inside this. There are so many icons right here. So let's say if you're talking to a lot of person, this person won't be here. So there are so many people here, and this person won't be shown. If it's not showing here, you have to scroll down a lot to get to that person. So in this case, if we need to directly talk to this person, just click on this icon, and it's gonna take directly to that person, so you can talk to them. Also, you can add notes, something like follow up with this person, or something that you talked in the messenger, or whatever that is. You can add those notes here, and you can also create a notification. So you talk to this person, you create an appointment with this person. So you can say call on Tuesday, and you can schedule the date. Click here and say, or Tuesday at the time. You can say something like 4:30 p.m. and you can also create a note and then add this, and at that time you'll get a notification inside Chrome, and this is going to help you to remember that you have a call and you don't miss the call. And the next thing that you can do is create templates. So let's say you have a product. So this is your product one. So many people are going to ask about your product, so you can do something like hello and their first name, and then I'm gonna do is you requested for this item, you can purchase it from here. I'm gonna save this. You can also use emojis inside this chat and save it. So the next time you don't have to write this manually, you can just copy and send it to this person. Also, you can see an icon here. Just click on that and you will see the product and the first name and this tag. Just click on send, and it will be sent to that person with hello and the first name and the text that you added here. But the first name will not work if the person is not tagged. It won't come. So make sure you tag the person, or the first name kind of thing won't work there. So that is something that you need to remember. And let's say there is a lot of people inside this. So I need to talk to this person. So what I can do is click on this icon, and I can send a bulk message to people inside that tag. So I can set a delay of 15 seconds. I can say this template that we created, and this message is something that I want to send to them, and I can say, okay, I need to send around like 20 message or max 30. That's the only thing that you can do if you have more than that many tags. Send only if no message sent in the past. So if you have already talked to this person, you can say, okay, if I already talked to this person, don't send a message in the past 5 minutes. If I already talked to this person, don't send a message. And up to 1 month, you can do this. So that's how the messaging works. And if you click on start sending, message per day should be 30 days. Okay. Like, I'm gonna change this to none because I have already talked to that person. So I'm gonna say 10 messages to start sending, and it's gonna pop up here, and you can see the messages to send 22 and total message. If I I'm gonna click on stop sending because I don't want to message anyone right now. So and I'm gonna click on Messenger Matic again, and if you need to do this, just click on the message icon and configure your option here and start sending, and it will start working there. And also you can back up your data. So let's say you want to save this data somewhere. You can export this as a JSON format. If you don't know what that is, don't worry, it only works here. This format only works inside Messenger Matic, so you can only use it here. And also the next time you reinstall this extension, delete and reinstall it, we can import this. So the reason why we made it like this is because the data is stored on your computer and it's much safer and you have a high privacy. But in the future, we'll be adding an option where you can sync this with the cloud. Still, you'll have high privacy, but some people suggest not to store the data in the server and just on the personal thing. So that's how Messenger Matic works. So if you have any issues with this extension, if you need any help, just contact the support and we'll be happy to help you. And I'll see you in the next video.